If you've just bought a new upright stove from The Good Guys, our professional installers are ready to help out, making the process as easy and as simple as can be. Before our installer arrives, make sure your upright stove will fit in the existing cavity and that there's easy access if you're upstairs. Keep pets and kids out of the way so we can get the job done safely. Our service is a changeover service, which means we will install the stove into your existing cavity and connect it with the existing utility connections. If your installation requires additional cable, copper, or a connection upgrade, we're upfront about additional charges and can provide you with an instant quote. Now let me take you through the installation process step by step, so you know what to expect. Step 1. Our installer will inspect your connections and installation point. Step 2. Our installer will remove your old oven. Step 3. Our installer will install your new upright stove to your existing cavity and connections. Step 4. Our installer will turn the unit on to ensure it's working. And remember, all work by the Good Guys Home Services team is fully guaranteed and complies with all state and territory compliance codes. Enjoy your new appliance from the Good Guys, and thanks for watching.